You're in bed. It's 1:47 a.m. Your brain is like a broken record, replaying the same scene over and over. You told yourself you'd sleep early tonight, but now your eyes are wide open, thinking about something that happened 3 days ago. Why can't you stop? Neuroscientist Ethan Kross calls this mental chatter and says it can become your greatest enemy. But the truth is, it's not your fault. Your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. And today, we're going to learn how to take back control. But first, you need to understand why your brain is playing tricks on you. Because you can't win a battle against an enemy you don't know. Chapter 1. The Ancient Brain in a Modern World. Your brain hasn't changed much in the last 100,000 years. It was designed for survival, not for peace. Overthinking is actually your brain's attempt to protect you. It replays past mistakes to avoid future pain. It imagines worst-case scenarios so you're ready. But here's the thing. You're not in the jungle anymore. You're in a modern world, full of emails, deadlines, messages, and expectations. And your brain can't tell the difference between a lion in the wild and a passive-aggressive text from your boss. So why is it that some people fall asleep the moment their head hits the pillow, and you're still haunted by that one embarrassing presentation from 3rd grade? Chapter 2. The 3 Hidden Causes of Overthinking. 1. Information overload. We consume an average of 34 gigabytes of information daily. That's like watching 16 movies a day. Your brain can't finish thoughts because it's constantly being interrupted. 2. Fear of regret. Author Tim Ferriss says, people will choose unhappiness over uncertainty. Overthinkers are often not afraid of failure. They're afraid of regret. 3. Emotional perfectionism. You don't want to feel discomfort, so you try to think your way into peace. But peace isn't a thought, it's a decision. Bonus. Unprocessed emotional trauma. Psychologist Dr. Nicole LaPera says, overthinking is a survival strategy learned in chaotic environments. The good news, this loop can be broken. The bad news, it requires you to stop thinking so much. Chapter 3. How to break the loop. Let's get practical. Here are 3 science-backed techniques to stop overthinking. 1. Brain dump ritual. Before bed, grab a notebook. Write for 5 minutes. Everything on your mind. No judgment, no filter. Should I have replied faster? Did they misunderstand me? Am I doing enough with my life? 2. Scheduled stillness. Take 10 minutes to do nothing. No phone, no screen, just be. It's not a waste of time. It's how your brain reconnects to itself. 3. Mental interruption. When thoughts start to spiral, ask yourself, is this thought helpful? Or is it just noise? This takes you out of reactive mode and into observer mode. Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you interpret it." You've learned the techniques. Now it's time to face your thoughts one last time. And this time, you win. Tonight, before bed, write down the one thought that keeps looping in your mind. Then ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Your brain isn't broken, it just needs direction, and now you have it. Subscribe to Brain Unlocked because your mind should work with you, not against you.